every 2 weeks, an indigenous language dies. This should ring our alarm. Because, as said by the American linguist Michael Krauss, when a language goes extinct, it's like dropping a bomb on the Louvre.
Indigenous peoples account for approximately 5% of the global population and speak 60% of the world's estimated 7,000 languages. Each indigenous language represents a unique framework for understanding the world and its complexity, and each is a repository of traditional knowledge. Language is more than just words. It is the essence of the identity of its speakers and the collective soul of its peoples. Languages embody the history, the culture, and the traditions of people, and they are dying at an alarming rate.